Hey guys, so let's get started. Hello, that's my easiest slide. So first of all, I'd like to say a big thanks for Fluent and Brady and Peter for this opportunity. So thank you very much. Thanks. Um, Everybody's awake? Are you all awake? Great, so we're gonna have a very exciting 5 minutes. I'm gonna speak today about how to build browser extensions with only the knowledge of JavaScript. But first, I want to speak a little bit about myself. Who am I? My name is Shmueli. I'm the co-founder of CrossWriter. I came here all the way from the Middle East, so please be kind. I just want to know who here knows JavaScript. It's a JavaScript conference. You should all raise your hand. So whoever didn't, it's not good. So I'd like to first take a look and see what can we do today with JavaScript. So what we can do today is the everyday client side. We all know, building websites. You can also do mobile apps today with JavaScript and HTML5. You can even do mobile apps. Today, beside client side, we can see that JavaScript is going to be the future of the web technology. I'm a server-side guy, but the biggest language I'm most excited about is JavaScript. So it's not just client-side, it's also server-side. And with Node.js, we're doing today things that we thought were impossible. We could never imagine that with JavaScript we can listen to ports or do threads or build server-side applications. It's pretty exciting. But even more, now we can do even one more thing with JavaScript. We can build browser extensions. And before I jump to how you can build browser extensions, I want to explain a little bit what are browser extensions. Yeah. There was a little cat behind it before it, so what are browser extensions? Basically, we all know what they are. We all use them. It's those little apps that we download, we add to our browser, and they add functionality to the browser. They can add functionality to the browser itself or to specific websites we're served to. So who doesn't know what Firebug is? Good. That's better. So what is CrossWriter? So CrossWriter is a development framework which lets you, with JavaScript and jQuery, build cross-browser extensions. So it's just like PhoneGap for mobile apps, but for browser extensions. And why was there a need to build such a development framework? Basically, there's a big inefficiency in this market where you need to learn each browser, you need to learn its own technologies, you need to know C++ for IE extensions, you need to learn the API of Firefox for Firefox. And we realized that Chrome has the most logic and standard way to build extensions. So we took that architecture and we passed it to obviously Chrome, Firefox, IE, and Safari. So a little bit of stats. Right now, we're estimating browser extension about 20 to 30 million installs per day worldwide for all extensions. With our framework, we see about 1 million. We have 6,000 developers, which they basically make extensions that are getting downloaded 1 million per day. I'm just going to give you a little one example of what a developer has built. It's a small extension called Speakit, and it lets you, basically, if you can see there, it adds a little record button in your Gmail, and instead of sending regular emails to your friends, you can actually record yourself and send video emails. And how did this developer did this extension? He didn't have to go and learn all the different APIs, he knew JavaScript already, because he knows web technologies. So with only 68 lines of code, you can check me on that, he built the Speakit extension. So I'm not going to show you the code, because I have 15 seconds to do that. But in CoffeeScript, he did that even in 15 lines of code. So he just wrote it in CoffeeScript and then compiled it to JavaScript, put it on the framework, and it just worked. Just like the jQuery plugins, we're trying to introduce also an ecosystem of plugins where each developer can cross-pollinate the community and basically write his own little plugin and then share it with the rest, so for easier development. So For conclusion, you just saw, if you already know JavaScript, now you can also do browser extensions. Thank you very much.